Alright, so here is just I'm going to work through this problem from the formative quiz. So I guess when I look at this, I know I'm solving for x, and then x is kind of inside of a log. So if I'm going to find the x, I really kind of want to try to isolate that log right there, you know. I want to get this by itself. Or, you know, I could think about it as like, look at this, what could I do? Well, that 4 is really easy to get rid of, that plus 4. So what if I subtract 4 from both sides? It's going to leave me with log base root of 2, it's a weird base, of x to the 4th equals 8. That looks better, but man, you know, what if I think about what a log is? I mean, this is really saying, what's the exponent on the root of 2 that makes x to the 4th? Or it's really saying the exponent on the root of 2 that makes x to the 4th is 8. What if I just rewrite this as an exponential? Root of 2 to the 8 equals x to the 4th? Whoa. Okay, now I have two ways forward. I could either just figure out what root of 2 to the 8th is, and then maybe solve for x, you know, by getting rid of that 4th power. Or I could realize that they kind of have similar structures, right? There's a 4 over on the right-hand side. I wish there was a 4 on the left-hand side. Well, I could really make that, you know. It's root of 2 squared to the 4th, you know, because powers to powers, they multiply, so that 2 to the 4th would make. And so looking at the structure, I can see that, hey, this is the same thing as this, because this is the same thing as that. So that means x is really the root of 2 squared. Oh, so x is 2. You know, another way through this problem is I could have always, you know, from right here, I could have taken root of 2 to the 8th power, which root of 2 to the 2nd power is 2. There's that to the 4th is 16, so I could have had 16 equals x to the 4th. And then I could have tried to figure it out there, or, you know, so I could have either known that 2 to the 4th is 16, or I could really take the 4th root, right, of both sides, and really still got to the same spot. We have choices. I just think the making use of structure kind of makes it a little bit more efficient.